Hi everyone, so I've literally just received this parcel from DRK Crafts because I'm on the maker team, and so I just thought, because obviously quite often you see unboxing videos and they've already looked at them, so I thought let me do an unboxing. I've not seen what's in this box, okay, so I've obviously blanked my address out, obviously, so yeah, so I thought I'd let you guys see it at the same time as I'm seeing it. I'm very excited. I know a little bit of what I might be getting, but I don't know everything and I haven't seen it in real life. So, are we ready? Are we ready? Are we steady? Here we go. Now, have I got enough space on my desk to do this? Potentially not. Ta-da! Oh. Ta-da! Ooh! Ooh! Right, okay, I'm going to take all this out and then we'll have a proper look at it. Okay? Because there's not enough space with this box in the way. Ooh. Right then. So what have we got? Interesting. Okay, cool. So I've got a gem pickup tool. Now, I did actually request this in my first order. And I'm really glad. It didn't come, but I'm really glad it's finally now come because I really want a gem picker. I've got a gem picker tool, but it's lost its stick. And I've tried various different things to get it to stick. And I saw this one. I love the lilac glitteriness in the middle. And this looks like the bee's knees. So this looks really good. So it's got a tacky wax tip for picking up and precisely placing objects onto your projects. And then it's got a metal end that can be used to displace gems or press down rhinestones or paper pieces to keep them in place. Nice. Okay, cool. Got some permanent easy fix. Always useful. Love this stuff for quick sticking down. Then we've got, oh, this is brand new. This is first edition glittered paper pad. Oh my goodness me. Pastel ombre, 200 GSM. That's good. 24 sheets, 4 designs, 2 of each design. Nice. Right, okay, let's have a quick look at this then. And then we'll move on to these other ones below. Let's have a quick look at these. This is good. I'm liking the look of this. Oh, so it's an actual pad. Wowzers, look at that. Oh, that is amazing. I'm loving this. It's almost like a rose gold into like an aqua. So you've got obviously 4 sheets of each. So there's 3, 4. Oh, hang on. Are these all the same? Oh, is this all the same? No, it's not. No, it's not. Here we go. And then we've got, oh, nice, like a rainbow glitter. And this is non-shed. Like it doesn't, it's like a non-shed glitter. So it's completely smooth. So that's really nice. But it does have quite a nice glitteriness. Because sometimes with these non-shed glitters, they're not that, ooh, glittery. Oh, my days. That is my favourite so far. It's like a purple. I don't know if you can see it very well. It's like a lilac-y, pinky purpley colour, similar to my nails, through to like a bluey purpley at the bottom. And then we've got this one, which is a pink into a green, which again is gorgeous. Okay, this is really nice. And it's, like I said, it's a good weight. It's 200. Now that is wonderful. I should be using that an awful lot. Okay, we've also got this one. This is 120 GSM, so great for matting. 48 sheets, 24 colours, 2 of each colour. And you've got all of these pastel colours. Okay, let's just have a look and see what we got. I remember having, back in the demo days, a Dovecraft pack similar to this, but it was, oh yes, it's very similar. But it's nice. It's just it's nice to have these colours and to have the pastelness. And the 120 is really good for matting. So, yep, that's very useful. And then we've got this one, which is, I've had this before. I remember getting this as a demonstrator. I remember getting this, but it's really useful. So it's this textured, like a linen texture. Yeah, it even says linen texture cardstock. 220 GSM, so that's a really good weight. Again, good for mats, and also good for like the canopy card that I did a while ago. Ones where you need to use a mat as a base sort of thing, because you're doing lots of folds, you don't want lots of weight. So this is the perfect kind of thing for that. And as you can see at the top there, you can see all the colours. Hopefully, let me just make it a bit sharper. There we go. So you can see all the colours there. So it's like all the brights. So that's great, really nice. So it's 80 sheets, 4 sheets of 20 colours. So that's really good, very useful indeed. Okay, and then we move on to these 2 tubes. Okay, so we've got some gloss finish vinyl in silver, no matte. Fabulous. Now see, I don't have a Cricut machine. However, I did request that they send me some vinyl, because in days gone past I have actually done some cutting out using dies with vinyl, and I'm hoping that this will cut with dies. So I will let you know. Oh yeah, oh, it's quite nice. It's not too shiny. It's a gloss finish, but it's not like a mirrored. It's like a matte silver. But that's nice. I can use that. And this is an adhesive, I believe, not an iron-on. I don't think it's an iron-on. Let's have a look. Yeah, so I think it's just like an adhesive one. It looks like it is. It's got the sticky back to it. Okay, so that's cool. So that's that one, and it's 5.5 inches by 48 inches. Okay, and next up we've got this one, which is the gold, and this is a heat transfer. Okay, cool. So I presume heat transfer. Okay, so is that like, that's like with your heat transfer thing? I presume I could do, is that like an iron-on? Could I do iron-on with this? Possibly. I'll have to have a look and see. Let me open it up. Oh, that's a nice gold. Oh yeah. And so this one isn't matteless. This would need a mat if you're using a Cricut machine, but I'm planning to be die cutting and just fussy cutting. So we'll see how, I'm not sure, it's quite plasticky, so I'm not sure how well that's going to die cut, but we'll give it a whirl and see. You never know. So that's 12 inches by 24 inches. So I know with Cricut and other electronic cutting machines, some of them have like longer mats, so you could fit it on a 24-inch mat. So that's quite cool. And so this is, as I said, a heat transfer. So there we go. So that was my my latest DRK Maker Team unboxing video. So that's what I got today. So I'm excited to use these. Very useful, having the textured and the matte card and the glitter. Really like that glitter. Very useful. I'm glad this has finally come. And these 2 here are going to be, I'm going to be experimenting with those, and I shall show you my makes when I do them. So yeah, so that's what I had today from the Maker Team. I'm literally about to film a video, so I think I shall be using some of these in my video somehow. I think that might be the case. So yes, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to go and check out www.drkcrafts.co.uk. And also I'll try and put the link up on the screen. The link will be in the description below as well. I'll also link down in the description below as well all the products that are in this video, so you can go ahead and just click on the link and it will take you through to the site. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Leave a comment down below which let me know which product you think you like the most out of what I got, and what thing you would use the most. And yeah, I'll see you again next time. Bye.